Hello everyone, this is Kara. In the previous tutorials, we've learned many interesting text effects. And today I'm going to show you how to create a text effects from the sample video. The method used is very simple. You can easily finish it by following the video step by step. And if you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. Today we will continue learning how to create the last 3 effects from the sample video. Along with the materials used in the previous video, you will need additional video clip to showcase, and then we can begin. Click here and find this text preset, and then place it on the text track. Click here to enter the editing page and type in the desired text. Then choose an appropriate font. Change the text color to white. And remove the text stroke. Click here to save a screenshot. Next, go back to a text editor. Change the text color to black. And change the stroke to white. If the stroke looks too thick, you can adjust the value here to an appropriate level. After you are done, click here to save another screenshot. Now click here to create a new text element. Enter desired text. Modify the font. Remove the shadow. And click here to save another screenshot. Next, import the 3 screenshots into VideoProc and create several overlay tracks. You can hide or delete the text elements for now. Let's start by creating this effect. Place the text on the overlay track. Shorten the duration a little bit. And in the inspector, select Align by Height. Then scroll down and choose the blend mode Lighten. Click Crop and crop off the portion from the top and bottom. Click Motion. Add a keyframe at the start and restore the display area. And then, at the 1 second mark, add a second keyframe. And click here to set the speed to speed on 1. Now, go back to first keyframe and move the display area downward until the text is no longer visible. Click Apply. Next, place the background material onto the lowest overlay track. And in Inspector, select Align by Height. And then choose the blend mode Lighten. You can increase the contrast a little bit. And lock the track to avoid interference in further operations. Now put the text on the track. And in Inspector, select the blend mode Lighten. Click Crop and trim some parts from the sides. Or choose 9:16 ratio. Click Apply. Then click Motion. And choose this preset. Select the second keyframe and set the speed to speed on 1. Then create a horizontal guideline. And copy the text to a lower overlay track. Move the text to a side. We will create a total of 5 text elements. Next, click Effects. Find Disturb. And place it on the effect track. Adjusting the duration. Let's play back. Looks nice. Now, let's put the video material on the track. Click Crop and select the 1:1 ratio. Then position it properly. Then, we'll place the gradient material onto the track. Click Crop and select the 1:1 ratio. click Motion, and add a keyframe at the start. Adjust the display area so that it's slightly larger than the image, and place the image in the top right corner of the display area. At around the 0.4 second mark, we add a second keyframe without any adjustment. Then, at 1.4 second, we add a keyframe. And move the image to the bottom left corner of the display area. Set the speed to speed down 1. Finally, add a keyframe at the end and click Apply. Then, put the video material under the gradient image track. Adjust position scale so that the gradient image is hidden by the video at first, and then gradually appears as the motion progresses. This part requires careful adjustment. Once finished, copy the video and place it in the top right corner. Now, let's move on to the text part. Place a text screenshot on the track, and in Inspector, choose the blend mode lighter. Adjust the scale and position. Then click Motion. Add a keyframe at the start and restore the display area. At the 1 second mark, add another keyframe. Set the speed to speed down. Now, go back to first keyframe and move the display area downward until the text is no longer visible. Next, place a text stroke material on the track and similarly modify the blend mode, scale, and position. Align it with the text material and arrange a stroke element to follow a text movement path one by one. Don't forget to stagger the appearance times of each material slightly. After aligning everything with the music, we can check the final result. Looks great, so give it a try for yourself. Alright, that's it for today's video. And if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!